What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. I want to do a quick walk around video of our gorgeous 1963 Chevrolet Impala. Just got in stock. This is the one you want. Absolutely beautiful car. Owned by an older gentleman there in Alabama. Took excellent care of it. Factory Super Sport. Got power steering, dual reservoir master cylinder. Does not have the power booster, but the brakes have been sorted out really nicely. It's got a brand new under dash air conditioning unit. The trunk is immaculate. Nice fender skirts on there. Obviously the white wall tires. All the trim is in awesome condition. Look at these bucket seats, just absolutely gorgeous. Doors have no sagging in them. Open and close, super nice. Look at these door panels, beautiful shape. Armrests have no wear on them, they look brand new. Got the SS center console. Obviously the bucket seats only came on the SS. Bright work on the dash is in incredible condition. Perfect paint on all the dash components. Beautiful back seat, not a flaw there anywhere. Windows roll up and down like they should. Headliner. Sun visors all in beautiful condition. Even the backs of the seats, beautiful shape. Go around the back here. Radio works. It's got new speakers. Beautiful. I love this car. Trunk's detailed out. It's got custom carpet in the back that matches all the shapes of the trunk, etc. See the courtesy lights is working. They come on and light up the cab real nice when it's night. No cracks in the steering wheel. So this one does have, somebody did wire in a push button start. Not sure why. But I need to use two hands to stir it. Click it on. Button right there. You got AC blowing cold. Oil pressure, volts, temperature. Fuel gauge was working, bouncing around a little bit as we were driving. Wipers work. Lights is working as well. AC unit. Let's hear the motor real quick. Motor running perfectly still there. Anyway, let's go for a little drive, guys. This is an absolute beauty. SS console. For a cruise here in our 63 Impala. Beach is full of fall breakers. This is the one finger on the wheel kind of car. Runs absolutely beautiful. supposed to be. Demonstrate the brakes there. Anyway, y'all, also want to just say we've got nationwide